Climbing the language mountain. Mastering the phrase, up the mountain. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the picturesque phrase, up the mountain. This phrase is not just about hiking trails, but a journey through the fascinating landscape of the English language. So, let's start our ascent and unravel the meanings and uses of this interesting expression. Up the mountain literally refers to the action of moving from the bottom to the top of a mountain. It's often used to describe physical activities like hiking or climbing. For example, they went up the mountain to catch the sunrise. In this section, we'll look at various contexts where this literal usage is apt and how it paints a vivid picture in conversations. Moving beyond the literal, up the mountain, can also be a metaphor for facing challenges or making progress against difficulties. Like climbing a real mountain, it symbolizes a journey with obstacles. An example might be, starting this business was like going up the mountain, but it was worth it. This section will explore the depth of this metaphor in everyday language. In this part, we delve into how up the mountain is used in cultural references and idioms. We will explore sayings, songs, and stories where this phrase plays a key role. Understanding these references can greatly enhance comprehension and enjoyment of English literature and media. English, as spoken around the world, varies. In this section, we'll discover how up the mountain is used in different English-speaking regions like the UK, USA, Australia, etc. This comparison will show how language can adapt and change across cultures and geographies. And that's our journey, up the mountain. I hope this exploration has given you a new perspective on this versatile phrase. Remember, learning a language is like climbing a mountain. It takes effort, but the views along the way are worth it. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be at the peak of English proficiency.